So for this one we have this home calendar, and this time I will do this in the and the component, definitely component variant, so it is very easy for us to do that. But I will give just 2-3 second of break and then I will get back. Okay. All right, perfect. So we need to do the navigation. And here we have home, calendar, swipe functionality, message, and profile. Okay, and we will definitely do that in the component and variants. So it is very easy for us to do the changes. Okay, and if you for the swipe functionality, we have this icon as well, and we also have this icon as well where we have this people here. And let me see if we have some other functionalities, some other icons. But yeah, I think let's get into it and let's do that. Okay, so first thing first, we need the home icon, so I will just take a copy from here, and this how I easily search bar the icon. Okay, so home one I do have here. Perfect. And this is the home. Okay, and this for now it is filled, so I will just make it line, and I think it should be so. Instead of this, I will go to the design system and I will select this icon. So those one are customized, so we need a perfect one. Okay, I'm in the home page now and I will paste it here. So now we have the perfect icon. Okay, so this is home, and now we have text, so I will go and type text home. Okay, and for this one I will copy the property from here and paste it here. Okay, so we have this home page, home icon here, and home text. Instead of this, I will also like to decrease it a little bit more, so maybe 12 pixel. I think this is perfect. Even we can make it 10. We can make this 10 pixel. Cool. And for the color, I think let's try this one. Okay, and now I will give it an auto layout. Perfect, auto layout is given, and now this is the first one. All right, and we have, so we will just do two variant of another variant. One is like once we have selected, right? So once we selected, then we need that variant as well. But first thing first, I will go ahead and give it a component. Okay, so let's create this component. Perfect, and this one is default, and now I will select this and give this a variant. Okay, so add a variant here, and now this one is selected. So for this one, I will make sure to give it this a fill. Perfect, and this one should be our primary color. Perfect, and this color, I think this, let's do this one as well. Cool, so now this one is our selected color, and for the colors we can definitely change it, but for now, since what we needed, we need to do that. Okay, and we will definitely hug the content here and hug here as well. Okay, and this one should be hug. Okay, and this one should be also hugged. Okay, perfect. Now I will just copy it from here and paste it and duplicate this. Okay, so 1 2, and we just need 1 2. For the swipe functionality, I think we can do, let's do for the swipe functionality as well. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Perfect. I will now give it an auto layout. Boom, auto layout is given. All right, and since this size, this is 375 width. Okay, so I will go ahead and give it 375 width. 375 5 width. Yes, perfect. All right, now what I can do here is I will align everything like this, and from left to right I will give it 16 pixel. Perfect. Now another thing that I can do here is this is 24 pixel, right? So I will increase the size to 32. So let's make it 32 here and 32 here as well. Cool. Now select this and it should be hug content, and it should be also okay. This is perfect. Now we have this home, and let's do calendar. Swipe, messages, and profile. All right, so we have it perfectly. Now I will select this, select this, select this, select this, and file container. Perfect. So now everything is perfectly filled. Okay, now let's try and change the icons. So far, instead of home, let's try calendar, and for calendar I will use this one. Okay, cool. And we have swipe. So for the swipe, let's use, actually let's use this one. Okay, and then we have messages. So for messages, message, let's use this one. Okay, for the profile, let's use this one. All right, another thing that we can do here is I will select this, and instead of 1.5, let's give it a 2 pixel. So I think 2 is perfect here. Okay, and since we change these instances, okay, so that's why that the only change applied here. Okay, so I will then do it manually here. So once I select all, I will hit enter. So that gonna select. Okay, I think super. We are almost done with this one. Okay, cool. So now from top I will give it 12 pixel, and the left, I think this is fine. Cool, I like it. And now I will give it a fill as well, and yeah, I think it is very good. So now for the home one, since this is selected, so I will make this selected. Okay, and this is the home is selected here, we can see that. And for these colors, for this one, I think I will give this, yeah, I think this is fine. This is good, this is brilliant. Okay, and let me see if we have fill icon here. No, I think both are the same, but we can definitely find another one for this one, but so far we will use this one. Okay, another thing that I will do is I will give it 12 pixel roundness. Okay, and I will then place it and see how it looks. Oh, looks great. Perfect. Wonderful. So now let's start creating. So navigation. Okay, and this is home. I will just home. All right. Okay, so I will just select make this component, and this is home, and then I will add property here. Sorry, add variant here, and this one should be navigation now. This is home. Now this one should be calendar. This one should be swipe. One, two, and another one. Okay, so this is calendar, then we have swipe. All right, and then we have messages, and lastly we have the profile. Okay, and super easy. I will select this, select this, and I will make this default. Okay, and now select this one, this one, this one here, and this one here, and I will make sure it is selected. Okay, so we have once we selected this, it should be the same icon that we have used. But yeah, let's give it a try. We can use calendar here, and this was the calendar that we have used. And I think yeah, let's do this. This is calendar, then swipe, and this one should be this color. Then we have messages. All right, this is icon is fine, and lastly we will do profile. Okay, user, perfect. So we have the navigation as ready. Okay, we are done here, and now I will just go ahead and paste it here. Super. So now we have the homepage is ready, and it is, we can definitely inform the client, and will inform to check that out. Okay, another thing that I would like to add here is basically we need to add this menu bar here. So just copy that, paste it here. Cool. Perfect. So homepage is almost ready. I will just take all those stuff to one side, and now let me just do one or two another variation. Okay, so these are the thing that we will just give it a shot, and let's try, and hopefully which one work the best. Okay, so cool, let's do it. So for this one, I will just give it a shot. Okay, I will make this one is fine with that color, and for this one I will make this white. Okay, and I will give this effect, and effect should be drop shadow, and I will decrease this to that much. Perfect. And now from X side, the blur, I will increase this one as well. Sorry, it should be I think 2 is fine here, and I will increase this a little bit. Yep, perfect. And now I will copy the property from here and paste here. Perfect. So now another thing that I can do here is I will just go ahead and place this here. Okay. This is gonna be another variation. So yeah. All right, so maybe I will add a stroke here, a little stroke, and it should be maybe 10 pixel opacity like this, and paste here, and let's see how it works. And I will place, apply the property here as well, and I will I will go ahead and stop this white. Let me just use this one. Nope. Let's use this one. 20 pixel. So this is also very good. I like that. And for the home page, sorry, for the navigation, I will do another stuff. I will just draw a frame here. Okay, and I will copy the property and paste the property here. No, it should be, it should not be. So the frame should be below that. Selecting those component and make sure it is above it. Okay, now select this, paste the property here, and boom. So this is also another variation. I will take it down. All right, so this is kind of another variation that we just did, but let me just implement this here, implement this here. Okay, and select this one and this one, and make this white, and make this white as well. Perfect. And maybe this one, we can make this black. Paste property here, paste property here, and this one we can make this maybe 60. Yep. Copy property and paste properties. So you can see over here, this is another variation that we have created. Okay, there are some more, you know, like stuff over here. Just like over here, we they also need some today's snapshot section. You know, like there are definitely a lot of stuff here, but we need to focus on that. Client even informed me that I have also already implemented most of the stuff here, right? So this is exactly that we our main focus is. Okay, then if you can see over here, this icon is a bit smaller than what I am thinking. So this is, you can see over here, let me see what size is this one. 24, and this is 32, right? I will just go ahead and increase the size a little more. Okay, so let me just increase the size maybe to 36. Yep, and should be middle aligned. Okay, and now return to instance. All right, so this is another variation we have so far. Okay, and for this one, for these two, we can also give it the shadow, but so far I think we are, let me just remove the stroke here. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so the home page, okay, home version 2. So home version 1 and version 2 is ready. Now the next thing that we need to cover is the calendar slot, and for this one, again, I will do brainstorming in research, because maybe I will go ahead, how does the calendly work, how does the updating the slots work. So I will definitely need to do a lot of brainstorming and research for that, and to get started working on this availability one. Okay, so I think that's it. This is it for the homepage. I will definitely share that with the client, and once I got feedback from her, I will then re-implement it again and again, and hopefully we will have a perfect product. So thank you so much for staying, and I hope you will enjoy the process. And once again, don't forget to leave feedbacks. Okay, so that's it. See you soon.